This is the Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So the first step that you would like to take is to make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then open any search engine that you'd like, type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results that you will get, look for the official EpicGames.com website. Once the web page gets loaded, tap on the download the app from Epic Games link. Then once the dialog window appears, go for the download anyway option. Then open the file, install the Epic Games launcher, open it. In here, click on this black get button located in front of a Fortnite game, and on this yellow button that says install, but at the moment we'll simply download the files. So let's wait, I guess. Alrighty, as you can see, once all the necessary files get downloaded, the system asks that we grant Epic Games Launcher the install unknown apps permission. That we can do by going into the settings and turning on this toggle. Now let's state that we are aware of all possible risks. Wait until the OK button becomes active and click on it. Then confirm the Fortnite installation. After the security scan gets performed, open it and wait until all the updates and resources will be finally downloaded, after which you'll be able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.